In today's video, I am going to teach you how to find your version of Adobe Acrobat Pro. Knowing your exact version is handy for troubleshooting. Following tutorials accurately and confirming compatibility with plugins or team workflows. We'll keep it simple and clear, and I'll point out a couple of helpful tips along the way. First, open Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you are in Acrobat Pro and not a different Adobe app. If Acrobat is already running, bring it to the front so the controls are visible and active. It doesn't matter whether you have a document open or not. The version information lives in the application itself. Next, look to the top left area of the Acrobat window for the menu button. In many newer layouts, this looks like a small icon or a label that opens a navigation panel. Click that. If your interface doesn't show a menu button there, no problem. Instead, move to your computer's top menu bar and look for the Help menu. The goal is simply to access the help options, and both paths lead to the same place. Now, within those options, select About Adobe Acrobat. This item is usually near the bottom of the help list. When you click it, Acrobat will open a small window, sometimes called an About dialog. Give it a moment to appear. And don't worry if other windows are open behind it, the About window should appear on top. That window displays the version of Adobe Acrobat Pro you are currently running. You'll typically see the product name and a version number that might include a year and a detailed build. Take a second to read it carefully, and if you need to reference it later, jot it down or capture a quick screenshot. This exact number is what support teams or documentation will ask for when they need specifics. And it helps you match instructions precisely. If the About window is hidden behind other windows or you click away by accident, simply repeat the same action. Open the menu or the Help menu and choose About Adobe Acrobat again. Nothing changes on your system when you view this information, so you can open it as often as you like. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching.